Good morning everyone, this is Didi and Z. You can see the fish is around. That's good. So we'll see what's gonna happen today. It's a low tide, what is not really good, but never mind. I go a little bit further and maybe, I don't know, 2-3 k's. But at the moment I am probably around 2.5, so maybe a little bit more that way. But fish is around, so hopefully I get some nice fish and you know, have some good day out and have some fun. So first fish, no keeper. The bruised banana is really good, really good choice, really good color.
Channel 71.
All right. Today I can see a few guys fishing. So for example, over there's 4 guys on the kayaks, 1 guy on the boat, 2 guys on the kayak. There's 2 guys on the boat, and there's 2 boats and another 2 kayaks. So yeah, it's quite good. People came and do some fishing, so it's good. I can see more kayaks around today than fishing boats, but the reason why, because you can see the ocean is actually flat, so that's the main reason why there's so many kayaks around. I had some bite. Oh yep, you can see I got some fish. Look. It's not gonna be a big one, but yeah, something is on. Yeah, so this morning I'm using 2 different colors on my slider. So one is bruised banana and one is orange. So I have 2 fishing rods. My setup, and I'm using 2 different colors, orange and bruised banana. Of course I put squid on it. So this is how I start this morning. I might change the color later on, but at the moment, yes, I have orange and bruised banana. Yeah, I think it's gonna be keeper. I can feel it's gonna be nice fish. Nice fish. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Beautiful snapper. Ooh. This is really good success. That's gonna be 40 plus, guys. So I'll show you. Beautiful snapper. What I said, bruised banana. Yeah, first keeper. Yeah, first keeper. Awesome. Okay, I'm getting another beautiful snapper. Oh, this time it's orange. Wow, holy moly, that's bloody big snapper. Look at that. Holy. Wow. Oh wow, that's bloody heavy. Up. Yep. Whew. My gosh. Look. So this time it's orange. Wow. Beautiful snapper. Nice. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a little bit cloudy, what is good, what I love it. It's not hot, and the fish is actually more active. It's more a little bit windy, what is good. I like it, because when the ocean is actually flat, the fish is like really lazy and yeah, I just hate the fishing when it's too quiet, the ocean. Anyway, the boat's gone, the kayak's gone. I got two keepers, so I'm not sure where they are. There is a few over there, 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. I don't know if you can see. I don't know why they are, probably chasing fish. The kahawai, school kahawai, and snapper and kingfish. So that's good. They away from me, because what they're doing, they chasing the fish. They trying to get closer, and the fish is actually scared. And you can catch actually nothing. You won't catch anything. So I'm happy I'm keeping distance from them. They can fish there if they want. That's good. At the moment I can see the kahawai is maybe 1k away, but I don't really care, because at the moment I'm 25, maybe 30 meters deep, and I'm around 2.5, 3k offshore. So yeah, there's no one around. That's good, perfect. Yeah, so I can do my fishing. In the morning it was definitely bruised banana, but at the moment I can see the fishing rod with the orange slider is more successful. So yeah, it's very hard to say which one is actually better. Both good. I got two beautiful snappers, one each, one bruised banana, one orange. So at the moment the color doesn't really matter. Yeah, so it's good. Anyway, so I have still two keepers, and I caught around, I would say maybe between 10 to 15 fish. I would say 10 snappers. But yeah, last half an hour it was really good, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be better. All right, so sunshine again. Wow, it's getting warmer, but yeah. All right, come on fish, come on and give me some surprise. That's what I said before, don't chase a fish, fish come back to you. And I got another nice fish. It's gonna be snapper this time, because I can feel hopefully keeper, because it's quite nice size. So that's what I think. Oh, whoa, come on. Nice. Ah, yep, that's a really nice fish. Oh, come on. Whoop. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Another one. I got another fish. Yep. I don't know what's the number. I probably caught more than 25, 30 snappers today. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. I caught again 2 fish. Wow, the one is keeper. I'm sure the one is gonna be nice keeper. I don't know the other one, but yeah, let's go get both and see which one is. Oh wow. Wow, I'll tell you, if it's one, will be really nice snapper, but it's not. Okay, so there is one keeper. Okay, so there is a one keeper on the top, and the bottom is small, so there's gonna be definitely keeper the one. Oh wow, that's good. So two fish. Yep. So you can see I just got 2 fish, and on my fishing rod is another fish, but I have to wait. I don't know how big it is, but yeah, hopefully stay there. I don't know, we'll see. So let's go sort it out first, these two. Ooh, fish, where are you? I have to say, last 5 minutes, nothing. Wow, I'm bored now. Like today, the fishing is awesome. But last week too, I caught a few nice snappers and kahawai. Yeah, it's not bad today. Yeah, the guys, they chasing the fish again. Yeah, that's good. The problem is, you know, when they start chasing them, they start run, and they never stop, and that's the problem. Look, see? Oh, it was something there. Yeah. Oh well, we just wait here. And see if any fish around. But the fish, you know, the fish always going around, like in the circle. They can understand that actually the fish going that way. When you're watching them, they coming this way and they go back. So there's a 3 or 4 groups, what I see. And one group is that way, one group is just coming, and the one group is on the end. I just wait here. I'm sure they come back and I'll get some fish. I'll show you, I'm in a big trouble because I have 2 big fish on 2 fishing rods. So there's a one, there's a second. So which one I should go first? Wow. Not sure. So this is the one. Holy moly! Woo-hoo-hoo. That's gonna be nice fish. Wow, it's kahawai. Look the jump. I think it's kahawai. Yep. Oh, pop, pop. I don't know what story about my second fishing rod, but I can see on the top it's a kahawai. Oh, and it's gone. Oh. Never mind. Swap the fishing rods and let's go other one. Ho, ho, ho. I think it's gonna be kahawai too, because look, the fishing rod, it's gonna be big fish. That's what I think. Oh, maybe not. Kahawai or snapper. What's this? Yeah, it's snapper. It's snapper, but it's gonna be huge snapper. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh. Oh. Oops. Nice. Yeah. That's a keeper. I'm just getting another snapper. Oh, wow. Oh, woo. And it's beautiful. Oh, look, heavy snapper. Nice. Oh no, I got my another fishing rod and I got some fish. That's no good. That's no good. Two fish at the same time. Oh wow, that's a monstrum. Woo! Wow, that's a beautiful snapper, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, look, beautiful fish. Woo. Look the snapper. Wow. It's like 45 plus 45. Nice. Correct. What the hell is that? Wow. Whew. Goodness, what the hell I caught? Yep, almost there. Oh, Kahawai. Big Kahawai. Look the fish. Oh, wow. Kahawai, but it was a big fight. Oh. All right. So I got Kahawai. Oh. Look, wow, look the fish. So that's gonna be, guys, around 60 plus, and it's gonna be heavy. It's fat Kahawai. So fishing is over. Today I had to finish because I caught limit 7 snappers and 1 Kahawai. So I'll show you. It's really nice snapper and a huge Kahawai. So yeah, so today I was using slider and 2 different color. So it was bruised banana and orange. I would say the bruised banana was a little bit more successful. Yeah, so very happy. I started 7:30 and I finished now. It's probably around 12:30, 12:40, so 5 hours. 5 hours fishing, so it was really good. 7 snappers and 1 huge Kahawai. The snappers are probably around 40. I would say around 40. Maybe that one is gonna be maybe like 45, 47. These two, they really nice. The Kahawai is around 60, 63 maybe. It was a really good fight. So yeah, it was cool. It was really cool, and I can remember when I enjoyed fishing last time, like today. So yeah, I'm going very happy home, and 7 snappers and 1 kahawai. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again. DDNZ.